Teman-teman itu mata nabi palimbula na bukan kerana kita kata-kata nabi teman apa mata itu ke nabi kampanye baka nabi kampanye ni andra ni mata bina kana kailan no ana bina ka demis.
Good morning to everybody tuning in this fine morning. Yan bina ka bikim nikit sar na ngone ni babaro tiko en kan sa tiko buta kitale en don sing na mado mingo sabo nga go bidna singa munina lesta libuli tiko buta kitale en don embaki bo bakabuli.
Right. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everybody from everywhere, in every time, in every situation.
Nah, seterus ko mandanga. Pakata ko na nung mumbulot singo sa siguro to ito lang one. Yan your body texture is like a baby. Kunden dela no.
Your body height.
Iya. Iya. Sa body
bodybuilding.
Iya, your body builder. Bakatigi is like a baby sana.
Yes.
What would apa na we ko mandanga? I mean.
Yeah, for me, I accept everything in life. Change within the age criteria in my life.
Okay.
Right.
So,
Right.
if the texture of the body is like infant, it's like a toddlers.
Yes.
Some people they don't have this, but that's unique.
Iya, gini sar. Tuh torong kina.
Yeah. But some they grow up with a skin scale.
Iya.
Different because
Yes.
different situation we are. That's we are unique on, and it's comfortable on us.
Di nasara.
So you see the skin, you see love,
Right.
because the skin carry the most weight in our body, in our organs.
There's
okay.
also one disadvantage of
Having skin,
of you of you having like baby
Iya.
wakating na toddlers like that.
Yeah.
You are going to take advantage of that.
Iya.
You will think that you can
Whenever you go to town, people come and clam moko you.
yes.
Kisiva your
Right.
lips and the baluna.
Oh.
Ni ko makachula pa prangona.
Iyo.
What would you do?
I will give my
Go to
life.
town every day.
Ano sila nung kumbula na mukha.
Okay, to naman we say hello to all the gang listening in this morning.
Okay, John Kumar yan binaka
Hey!
Ricky Malondali.
Iya.
Sa imo ni Banu sa mo kami ko may samambula, then binaka may samambula. Miriam Mbembe yan binaka.
Oh, yan re.
Bayan tal tu ngani be Melina ya the level
Gori.
Blessed Friday.
Yes.
Sa
Yeah.
komunital nga turang tawe na matab na ni kwa.
All right.
Iya, tu Eliki Malondali,
Yan ra.
Didimba Selai, Simon Mbanu be samambulan to yan rabina Miriam
Right.
Mbembe.
Iya.
Mbula binaka and good morning to you and the family
Yeah.
joining this morning.
From Cornivia.
From Cornivia, na balu sarabi to kan na matali ko. The different plants that we have in the world, what kinaka eran daw solia. If you are a fruit, dona buata. Ramambek, ito na jigitak.
Ay
Guapa.
guapa me tasong.
O siya, mag-iasa mo to, unstoppable.
I will choose from my una binakata mi undawa sere.
And why?
Nandawa sere, the most unique thing about Ndawa sere,
Yes.
because the name itself describe who he is.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Nandasa.
Hard on the outside, soft on the inside.
Iya. O kaya ni ngono mandangay ko ready ko kina.
Iya.
Right.
Nangono sandro binaka kina, yuko sa ilo. O sarni ilo yuko taltikin.
Right.
Iya.
Nandawa sere. Ngay kira karo kana kira kabula-bula, the white thing inside
Yes.
will automatically remove from
Right.
its mirror. Nalawena?
Di nasara.
So,
Right.
when you see Andawa sere, nangono sandro kina. When he leave the branch,
Right.
as soon as he reach
Touch the ground.
touch the ground,
Iya.
ero na bitala talawata kina kuling.
Yawa, men,
Right.
totoka.
So you want to be like Tantao Sir?
Au binakata. Tonga mongo tasere, yali kede na dola, yali na isulu,
Kede wondua.
yali na kakede.
Iya.
Iya.
Wana nao.
Be in
Be
a
free.
peace garden.
Right.
Wana nao.
Be free.
Iko nangandrevo mo sasa se mo vacuum cleaner.
Au binakata kaya mo vacuum cleaner.
Why?
Mo diruma.
Dominic suka, Tutukulomika.
Macarata ko yan na binakata solo.
Ele.
O mbo college mbulare babaro nangio.
Iya.
Je matasau vanu ni binaka ve mano adaba.
Iya.
Ve turani maniaba ve lawa dos.
Right.
Aserme navala Karua,
Yeah.
Momo, Moni Wetimarata,
Oh.
and also to the everyone
Yeah.
who joining this morning. Bro, Ben Matewalu.
Take us to the jungle.
Ha.
The signs that the pigs are somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we do the
Wakata.
hunter, we classify the different size of the pig and the different name we are naming to them.
Right.
Just like this. Buakalalay sa raor na lubena. Ni sabi kali umay sa maliwan ni lubena membula berseri tarabu.
Yeah.
We name them
Guinea
in the
pig.
village Guinea pig o Samuel. We name them the Tolo-tolo, eh?
Yeah.
Ndolondolo.
Ndolondolo, yeah, right.
Iyo, Ndolondolo.
Right.
After Ndolondolo, we name them Sebo.
Oi, baka nangeti, eh?
Iyo. Na Sebo, kora sember ni katangan ni usara mera
Iya,
kalibu.
iya.
Nangaw na sa when the time they give their teeth outside, mesali kalombi.
Yeah.
And they are in the...
Yes. Manly.
Iya, mainly sa kamo sa katera mo katangan ni
iya.
usara.
Yeah.
We name them Ratamaya.
Ratamaya.
Iyo.
Santin.
Uy, to amani amaya le bunro orang bukan mon ukur nambung.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Iyo. We name them like that. But when you see them,
Yeah.
you classify who they are during their footprint. Just like that story. When Goli going to Vianney, Vianney in the Conroe, they talking and telling about the fish there.
Okay.
So one old man was there and telling the story. You know what? The experience I got about going fishing,
Yes.
when I catch a fish,
Uh-huh.
before I see the fish,
Re.
usahan re
Yeah,
kina.
yeah.
When I hold my
And the fish is playing around with the hook.
fishing line,
Yeah.
fishing line,
Yeah.
I can name which fish is this.
Sandina.
Sangay kating abang komendre.
Yeah.
Oh, ongo.
Sandina. Sampai ramatan nila na ika.
Ndre mako, oh, ndamu.
Yeah.
Sandina.
Sangga.
Yana nona sangga ite buto ki ngamen sa kilaw ko ika
Iya.
taba.
Sangga. Sambutu. Mokorau.
Manibusi.
Sitawa, Manibusi mentin nanday. Watu ya. Wow, Sandina.
Yeah.
That's a very good experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sa, okay boy, Goli.
Yeah.
Ito man tayo nakaniway nunu. Ay, for me, if I tell a story from the village in Dongea,
Eh.
if I tell a story, I won't tell more on the sea.
Yeah.
I will tell more on the forest.
Oh, right. Sa kabikaw eh.
Iyo.
Aw
If
narali ka daw sar na laman ibikaw.
If you wanna hear about story, you know that's what we
Yeah.
want. You just tell about
Tell
the
me.
story,
Right.
happening there. What you think and what you want to share.
Gari.
For me, I will talk about hunter.
Right.
Yeah.
Hunting.
Iyo, hunting.
Magsasa eh.
Masa.
Ito magsasa. Ayo.
When myself going to the village, for myself, you people, when the fish bite the bait,
Yeah.
you can name
Yes.
which fish.
You can tell.
You can tell.
Right. Straight away.
For us gang, the experience we got during the hunting, we just see the footprint.
Yeah.
Kabula.
Sandina.
Kalo.
You know the
Kagamu.
colors.
Ang kailangan na mo hindi mo ka. Mesesuso tumangon. Mesesuso tumangon na mo na soso. Wula loa.
Bulalo.
Kantamu. Ngo kaloa. Watu ya. Nito sa bisini berang amor tenala. Ay goli. Ay ko natala iloma.
Abit tigre to sarok ka.
Saya ngapain dong kayak betalan lo.
What fish? The
Steve
fish that's
Murphy
what
basu
it
yang
happens on.
belaka.
Steve Murphy yang benaka. Palmua.
Oh.
Dolo baratu yang benaka kini buaya. Kalau
Ora
yang
tua me
porendreus.
ame una burada. Kini boy soko-soko.
Ser mege bote pero na leo dirme nando irewa. O susana ke pake ebi na iteki. Rau ngoron koro le mburu abotu. Na vale boni.
Mere Kautia. Hey, New South Wales. Iliani Ngunianga. Vungona waike kwa ndolondololanda.
Retorna John Rekeni and family and no sorry.
John Rekeni and family no sorry.
Do yan benaka.
Anda benaka. Ah. Tutin. Jimmy William Tena anda Vasu anda benaka. Steve Murphy.
Total sige ni karabitabi baru buka.
Buni besi sabu-sabu ndo yanda.
Cecilia to kalau. PRB ya. Dari benar kana sama tiko main na may buni moli PRB. Cecilia to kalau kirto na po bale. Nakodos
Kasi
pa
bakit
mga
yung
malo
malo
pa
to?
lang basa. Yan benar ka. Ito sana may daba.
Whoop.
Kodos 109 may lambasa.
Tulo bil listen ya si Wasadin. May FSC may ba? To yan benar ka. Lia. To yan benar ka.
Right. Like hat saya takkan nonton lagi nama tadi kuai. Right. Wani binaka. Happy Friday. Happy weekend.